All right, new week. We are back for day number 44, and we took two losses today, which accounts for a minus 1.5 hour day. So, before we get into it, let me tell you what sort of my bias was going into the day. So, before this candle started, before it was developing like this, we had formed this wick down here, and I saw the move from here all the way up to basically here. And I thought, okay, we're reacting bullish from the 12-hour order block, so there's a good chance that we stay bullish. But the 4-hour may stop here at this level, which is the 4-hour order block, because the 4-hour is actually bearish. And here's my first mistake, is that I didn't wait for the 1-hour close. I took a long up here somewhere because I thought that we would close above this line, but we didn't. This is where I took the loss. If we go on the 15-minute, it was here at these wicks. I said, okay, 15-minute closed above here. However, anything from here to here is still technically a lower high. And I just didn't thought that we would go that low because we have pushed into the 1-hour for so high. And this is a thing that I've noticed in my trading, is that I need to wait for candle closes no matter what. But yeah, going down into the 5-minute, we get these candles right here. And if we go to the 1-minute, you can see that we kept selling off. So between this candle right here until we closed above this is where I thought the trend continuation was. And I would have put my entry, where did I put the entry? I put the entry here at the top of the wick, with the stop loss somewhere around down here, and the TP at this level right here. So my idea was that basically we would do something like this, right? And continue bullish. However, because technically the 1-hour didn't close bullish, this trade was at 2:53 p.m. Because the 1-hour was technically not bullish yet, because the candle has not closed, we ended up reversing the whole move down and closed below here. Now, I was still bullish because of the 12-hour order block. So I said, next break of structure, I'm gonna long. We get the break of structure here. However, we are still respecting this order block. But this was sort of an impulse trade, I guess. And I decided to long here with the stop below this wick, just slightly below it. Yeah, right there. And then I wanted to long up until here. My idea was that we would test this, maybe chop around a little bit from here, and then we would go higher because this was still inside the zone of the 12-hour. However, I got blinded by the 12-hour order block and didn't see that the 4-hour was bearish. The 1-hour was bearish because we didn't close above. The 15-minute was bullish, but after sweeping the previous London high, was it really that bullish and having this reaction? So it wasn't really that bullish. Smart thing to do here would have been to play the shorts. And I actually thought of shorting this at first with the stop here, and the TP was somewhere down here at these lows over here. But because I was so bullish biased, I just didn't want to short against my bias. So yeah, minus 2-hour day, no, 1.5-hour day. We got the account at 50,853. Hopefully tomorrow we can come back with a clearer bias and we can actually execute on it. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow.